welcome to my channel. I missed you. Yeah, I know it's been a while. It's been a while now. I think it's a few days been past since I uploaded my last video. Yes, because I don't have the ingredients, I mean, of the requested recipes. So yeah, that's why. And so today somebody suggested to me a Brazilian cheese bread. It's very easy to find. We only need cassava starch, no, cassava flour, cheese, obviously, egg, milk, and stuff like that. So I got all the ingredients, so I made it. So how many so is that already? Yes, to make the long story short, I have all the ingredients, so now I can cook some of the recipes that have been suggested. So I'm not gonna prolong this. Let's go directly to the video. Oh yeah, before we go to the video, hope you hit the subscribe button and also hit that bell notification button, and also give this video a like, and also last one but not the least, help me share this video. Thank you. I'm so cringy. Here's now our ingredients for our pão de queijo. We will be needing cassava flour, oil, warm milk, cheese. You know, I chose the cheddar cheese here because I love it. And we will be needing an egg for this recipe, some sugar, and we will be needing tools like blender and our small muffin baking pan. We will start by greasing our baking pan, and we put our oven on preheat as well, and then we're just going to put in all our ingredients in the blender, and obviously we will blend them. By the way, I preheated it at 180 degrees Celsius. Yeah, and we're going to bake it later. I'll tell you what the timing, but for now let's just blend the whole thing. Yeah, as simple as that, literally blending. And this is very easy because I don't need to make a ball out of it. Like it's not, you know, so troublesome. And the good thing about this is I can make it ahead of time. For example, if I'm going to serve it in the morning, I can make this batter the night before and I can keep it in the fridge like this. And when I want to like bake it, I can just bake it, you know, because baking time is just 9 minutes to 10 minutes. So we're just gonna fill our baking pan, and then we're just going to like put in the oven. And because we preheated it almost immediately, they're like popping out, like, you know, it's so wonderful to watch them like go up like that. It's very satisfying. I love the scent of it. Freshly baked, I love it so much. What's the one thing that I love the most about this is that the outer shell is so crispy, cracking crispy actually, and then inside is so chewy and it's so moist, it's so elastic and like that. I love it so much. And yeah, that's the pão de queijo actually. Super in love with this. I can finish all of it, you know. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys keep that suggestions coming, and if I have the ingredients, I'm going to make your suggested recipes. And I hope you guys have a nice day and stay safe always. See you again to the next video.